This morning, there is probable cause to charge 2 police officers in the death of a 12-year-old boy. That is the ruling of a Cleveland judge. Surveillance video captured the November shooting on camera just seconds after police pulled up to the little boy. The officers were never told the gun that Tamir Rice was carrying might be fake. Dean Reynolds is in Chicago with how activists are seeking justice. Dean, good morning.
Good morning. Well, this ruling by the municipal court judge is largely symbolic because it can't force the prosecutor to act. Whether or not the officers are actually charged remains up to a grand jury. The shooting was captured on tape. That's 12-year-old Tamir Rice in a Cleveland park waving a toy gun last November. Officers arrived and he was shot less than 2 seconds later. Community activists are frustrated that prosecutors have not yet charged the police. They filed affidavits using a little-known Ohio law which allows any citizen with knowledge of a case to ask a judge to issue an arrest warrant.
When I found out about this obscure, unknown law, I thought it was a great way to pursue justice without having to wait apathetically to see if hopefully the prosecutor would do what was right.
Cleveland Municipal Judge Ronald Adrien said both officers who arrived on the scene should be charged. Timothy Lohman with murder for firing the shots and his partner Frank Garmbach with negligent homicide. But a criminal complaint from a prosecutor must be filed. Activists are hoping that the ruling puts pressure on the county prosecutor, Tim McGinty.
I hope it puts a whole lot of pressure on him to do what is right. It's time for our prosecutor to not only protect those that are part of the culture of blue, but to protect us as American citizens, black or white.
Attorneys for officers Garmbach and Lohman say this ruling won't affect how the case will move forward.
It's important to realize that we're in no different spot than we were 24 hours ago or 10 hours ago. The prosecutor's still have to make this decision.
But Tamir Rice's family says pressure from the activists has provided a blueprint for addressing concerns between the community and the cops. We are grateful, they said, that the wheels of justice are starting to turn. Charlie?
Thanks, Dean.